In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to stay organized and easy to read, adding row numbers can make a big difference. This is especially helpful when you are tracking lists, managing data, or building simple tables that grow over time. In Google Sheets, there are two easy ways to do this, depending on whether you want the numbering to update automatically or stay fixed. Let's start with the dynamic array method, which is the recommended option for most situations. This method is useful because it automatically fills in sequential numbers for your rows, and it keeps adjusting as your data changes. To do this, click in the cell where you want the numbering to begin, such as a 2, and enter the formula equals sequence open parenthesis. Count a open parenthesis, a colon a close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. What this formula does is count how many non-empty cells are in column A. Then generate that many sequential numbers starting from 1. Once you press enter, Google Sheets will automatically fill the cells below with a numbered list. The biggest advantage here is that when you add or remove data, the numbering updates on its own. That makes it ideal for spreadsheets that are constantly changing. One important thing to keep in mind is that this approach works best when your data is structured consistently, since the formula is counting non-empty cells in column A. You'll want to make sure that column is being used in a way that matches your list. If your numbering starts in a 2, for example, your data layout should be set up so the count reflects the number of entries you want numbered. Now let's look at the static fill method. This is a simple manual option if you just need a fixed numbered list and don't need it to update automatically later. Start by typing 1 in the first cell and 2 in the cell directly below it. Then highlight both cells. After that, look for the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the selection. Double-click that square, and Google Sheets will continue the number pattern down the column for you. This method is quick and convenient, but unlike the formula method, it won't automatically adjust if your data changes later. So if you add more rows or remove entries, you may need to update the numbering manually. And that's how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets using either a dynamic formula or a static fill. Choose the method that fits your workflow best and you'll save time while keeping your sheet neat and organized. Thanks for watching.